Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Droning Company here with Evan Hertafeld from A2Z Drone Delivery. Now I've heard a ton about your company and the things you guys are doing, and this little mechanism here is awfully impressive. So I want to talk to you about the company, I want to talk to you about what you got here. Tell me a little bit about yourself first.
Absolutely. Well, I was a software engineer at Google, graduated from Columbia University, and found myself out in LA where I met Aaron, who had been doing this stuff since college. One of his old college projects was this idea of delivering from a drone through the air, and he needed a little help getting it going. And fast forward a few years, and we're on the market as some of the leading winch providers in the industry.
Yeah, absolutely. And your products and your company have really made a name for themselves in the industry. I don't think there are many people that don't know A2Z Drone Delivery when it comes to this particular sector of the industry. So you got started with your partner, Aaron. Then we got to this point. So tell me a little bit about what this unit is and how this works.
Well, the thing on the bottom of the drone is the RDS2, our Rapid Delivery System Mark II. So after our first run, we took customer feedback, we revved it, and now this is our latest and greatest as far as winches go. Okay. And so it can haul up about 5 kilos, it can haul down 10, and it's compatible with any box, and it can fit to any drone that can carry it. So we're drone agnostic. Here it's on our RDST, flagship delivery drone, but it could just as easily be on a DJI drone or any of the other flight platforms you see out here today.
That's excellent. That compatibility and that flexibility, super important because there are just so many options out there right now. So it's important that a product like this have the compatibility with them. Can we see it in action?
I'd love to show you.
Okay, excellent. Walk us through the process as you're doing it.
So I'm going to free up the hook and I'm going to load it in. This is our spade. It's spring loaded and can secure to any box. We're going to go down here. All you need is a piece of tape and a piece of cardboard, and anything with a flat top can be safely delivered. So we're locked in. Let's reel it up. I'm gonna flip it this way, pardon. We're locked into place, so the winch could lose power and that box isn't going anywhere. Now, let's say we would take off with the drone, fly it to our destination, verify we're at the spot, and hit deliver. So I'll simulate that on our little rig here. We're going to sail off on our mission. The drone is en route, package is safely secured, and then we're going to see it descend. It's going to do a controlled acceleration. It's going to drop it off, and then the tension-based loop is going to automatically release the package as soon as it's on the ground. The system detects that the package is on the ground and then begins reeling up. And then as soon as it's safely secured, it's going to send the command to send it on home. So here, this is our sort of demo rig, but this could be done with either a manual pilot on the sticks or even an automated mission where you just plan it out ahead of time and it flies itself.
That's incredible, and to see it in real time is even cooler. Now, I'll bring you out over here. So to see it in action is actually even cooler. Now, in terms of any kind of troubleshooting that people might have. Now, there's a lot of different things that play into it. Elements, wind, things like that. You know, what kind of support do you have for a situation like that?
Well, the unit's very configurable, so there's a simple interface to customize things like the descent speed, when it starts slowing down. Wind is an issue, so you can have it go extra slow on the last couple of meters up. We find that really cuts down on the swing. Okay. And of course, you know, we have our technicians to provide support either on-site or remotely with just any issues that can come up.
Absolutely. Now, if somebody wants to learn more about this product, how to get in contact with you guys to ask questions or to purchase, how do they do that?
Well, we got our website, A2ZDroneDelivery.com. Just Google A2Z Drone Delivery, will come right up. You can see pages for all of our products, form to get in touch with us.
Excellent. Hey, Evan, thanks so much for your help and your time. Really appreciate it.